As our convoy nears enemy-held territory, each tank commander receives his allotment of detailed war maps. This is a dispersal area. The tanks are spread out as far as the eye can see. Contour maps are vital in tank warfare where there are no fixed lines and the positions change from hour to hour. Rain and thunderclouds. Dispersed, awaiting a break in the weather and better visibility. This is a fluid battle area. Tunis, Tiburba, Medjez el-Bab. The battle will be fought here. There are no set fortifications or clearly defined opposing lines. A Nazi panzer division has advanced westward from Tunis. Our columns have come up the valley from Medjez el-Bab. Our attack will consist of a series of lunges against the armored spearhead of the panzer division. The sun comes out. Our armored vehicles move toward the forward positions. This is an American light tank used both for fighting and scouting. P-38s move ahead of the advancing forces. A Spitfire guards the road. A British scout car advances along the northern flank. American half-tracks follow on reconnaissance. Enemy activity has been sighted over the hill to the left of the picture. British 25-pounders open up. The battery commander corrects the range. Black smoke indicates a hit on a supply dump or an enemy ammunition carrier. The Yanks are ready. In this type of mobile warfare, there are no trenches, no large concentrations of infantry. The doughboys are spread out for miles behind every tree and shrub, ready to strike the enemy or repel infiltration. Enemy snipers machine gun our infantry positions. This is the actual battlefield. Germans on the left, Americans on the right. A British ammunition lorry is hit. These are German Mark IV tanks. The straw-covered barns in the foreground conceal Nazi 88mm anti-tank guns. These scenes were photographed from a hill overlooking the battlefield. The cameraman is actually nearer the German lines than his own. The red identification marks on the rear of the German tanks. This is to avoid attack from their own aircraft. Our artillery begins to find the range. Watch the tank in the center of the picture. The blast on the left of the screen has struck the center tank. It spins around, disabled. There are 10 German tanks in this spearhead, 5 on the field, and 5 concealed under the brow of the hill in foreground. The tank in the background has stalled. Its crew is still using the machine guns. There it goes. A direct hit on an enemy 88mm gun position. Black smoke indicates the end. Enemy prisoners are brought in under guard. Note the 2 guards following in the rear. The invincible Nazi on the left side of the screen carries the white flag of surrender. These prisoners are veteran members of the Afrika Corps. These are Americans, boys from your town and my town. They have fought today in a strange country for a remote little valley on the road to Tunis, and they have fought well. This is an important victory, not because of its strategic value, not because of its military importance, but for an altogether different reason. This morning, when the battle began, this valley was a conquered valley in the hands of the enemy. Tonight, it is a free valley.